What's up there, YouTubers? It's your girl Shay Skylar, and I'm back with another video. Up if you're a new subby, and what's up if you're returning to my channel. Thanks for coming back. So today I have a video that's going to be great for my natural people out here. I'm going to be reviewing a upart wig from Nadula. This is their Jerry curly wig in an 18-inch 150% density, okay, from Amazon. This wig will run you about $109. It came in this box. Okay, of course, 2-day shipping that we love. All right, so inside of the box we have 2 caps. So these are the caps, which you're not going to need because the unit is a upart. And also here it comes with a strap just in case if you want to add an elastic band to the unit, and a card that tells you some information about the company. I've worked with Nadula Hair before, and I actually love their hair, so I'm really excited about this upart unit. So let's just go ahead and get to the unit before we add water and all that good stuff to it. This is how the unit comes. Remember, it is a upart. This is the curl pattern, so the curl is very nice, and we're going to make that blend in with my hair. Right now my hair is in wash and go curl, but we're going to blend that in real nice. All right, so the cap, it comes with these bands right here. So we're going to go ahead, we'll cut that off once we go ahead and leave out our leave out. In the front we have 3 combs, so we have 2 for the upart, and then we have combs on the side, and then we have an let's see, yeah, 2 combs on the side, and we have 2 combs here. We also have a comb in the back, which I love, and then we also have the adjustable straps here that we can use to make the unit either fit snug or fit a little bit loose. Okay, so y'all know I like to go ahead and tighten that, so I'll tighten that a little bit later. And it comes like in a natural, like a 1B color, and my hair is a 1, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna blend this thing in right along with it. So the pattern that I'm gonna use for my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. What I'm gonna actually do is, I know what I'm gonna leave out, and I'm gonna do the hair as a middle part. So I'm gonna go ahead and just part my hair that I'm gonna use for the leave out right now. For these 2, I am going to create 2 braids. All right, and the braids don't have to be neat. We want to make sure that they're flat, but my hair is actually in a wash and go, so it's not going to be as flat. But this is curly hair, and curly hair is big, so I'm going to put these 2 sides in a braid. Y'all, so I got everything nice and pinned down. What I'm gonna go ahead and do here is just cut off my upart area. So all you're gonna do is just cut the strings. Cut those strings off. Then we're gonna go ahead and apply the unit. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and fix my adjustable straps because I know I want my cap to fit snug. Now I figured that this unit is big head friendly because usually when I do get Nadula hair, it does fit my head when it's like, you know, in messy braids. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this on. All right, and then we're going to take the clips that's on the side and insert it in the U. Then we're going to take and clip our back in. All right, so we have the wig applied. So what I want to go ahead and do is add some water. And I'm going to use my brush here and go ahead and comb this out. And I wear my hair big already. Y'all, these curls are so pretty. Okay, I'm going to add it to the other side and brush it out. And when I tell you it's secure, it's secure. So you can add the strap that it came with as well, but this is secure. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair and we're going to blend this part like this. Okay, and I'm gonna take some gel because gel tends to just curl my hair a little bit more into the looser curls. So I'm gonna be taking the extreme gel and just y'all. Did y'all see that? Blend. Blend. Okay? Yeah. I love it. I love it. Y'all, this is the unit. Naturals. The Jerry Curly, and I've always loved Jerry Curly hair. This is it. This is the one. Filling this unit, let your girl know this is a great price for Jerry Curly wigs in an 18-inch. U-parts are definitely coming out now, especially for people if you don't know how to install closures and frontals. These are great units for you to blend in with your hair. They come in different textures. They have loose body wave. If you have your hair straight, they have straight. So alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you would purchase this wig, if U-part units are for you, or do you prefer your original closures and frontals. If you've ever tried Nadula Hair, I've had absolutely no problems out of Nadula Hair. I've had straight hair from them. I've had like bang hair from them. So I really love the company, and I really love this hair. I give it 10 stars because I love hair that blends in with my natural hair. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for showing love. I appreciate you guys so much. Love you. Bye.